Hi everyone! 2 months ago, I posted a video about how to embed the YouTube Shorts in WordPress with Gutenberg and Elementor, but recently some of you posted a problem about the latest Gutenberg version. That is, the YouTube block cannot change the aspect ratio properly. I tested it on my old WordPress. Everything works fine, so I thought it may be some plugin conflicts. But yesterday, I installed a blank new WordPress and confronted the same problem. After several time tests, I figured out that the reason behind the problem is every time you go back to the editor, the Gutenberg YouTube block will reset the CSS. So this must be a bug. We can do nothing about it except hope that the next WordPress update will fix this bug. But the good news is you can simply use a third-party video block instead of original YouTube video block. Maybe this is a better choice. So, in this video, I will show you how to use the advanced video block from Essential Blocks. The Essential Blocks is a free but powerful package with a bunch of useful blocks. Now let's start. At first, go to our WordPress dashboard. Then go to the plugin and add a new plugin. Let's find the Essential Blocks. It should be this one. Since I have already installed, I will skip this step. After you install the Essential Blocks, you will in the dashboard see this menu item, Essential Blocks. Click and go in it. Click the blocks and scroll down. You will find the advanced video block and make sure it is turned on. Okay, so we successfully installed the plugin. So let's go to our post. For example, I want to add a short in this post. Click it. How to do it? I think the simplest way is at first create a column. Columns. And we can choose, for example, this one, and add a block. In the last video, we did it with the default YouTube block, but this has a problem, so this time we will use the advanced video block. So this one. Actually, you can also go here. In the Essential block, you will see this advanced video. You can also click this way, advanced video. This one. Okay. Now we need the link. Click the link here. Paste the link here. Of course, the format is not correct. Let's at first take a look how it looks like. So, click it. Preview in new tab. So, we need to change the aspect ratio. So, select this block. Unfortunately, we can find nowhere we can set the aspect ratio. But there is one way to work around is you go to the Advanced tab, go to the Custom CSS. Do you see this one? This one. Just add here aspect ratio 9 to 16 semicolon. Update. Now let's go to our post, refresh. Something wrong. I need to change it back. Aspect ratio. Update. Refresh. You see? We get a correct format. So maybe you will say you don't like the round corner. Then go to the style and set the border radius here all to 0. Update. So here no border radius anymore. Let's refresh. You see, that's exactly the same as the YouTube default block. And the advantage of these advanced blocks is that you have more controls. For example, you go to the general, you see, you here have autoplay, mute, loop, and show controls. I think show controls is very good. You will get the control. Let's update it and take a look. When you play it,
have you experienced VS Code suddenly becoming very slow?
You will get the control. And another thing I think very good is the sticky function. Let's say you have more text. Update it and refresh. Then you see here on the bottom right, you will see this video. And I think this is a very useful function. So this is what I want to talk about this plugin. Of course, it's not perfect. I still didn't figure out how to make here looks a little better. But if you click this block, you will see in the editor, it is correct aspect ratio. Okay, if you know how to change this, please tell me. Thanks very much for watching and see you next time.